Have you forgot your Wi-Fi password and need to connect to another device? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to find your saved Wi-Fi password on your Mac in just a few clicks, so follow my steps. And before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorials like this one. Now we'll be using the Passwords application on our Mac in order to do this. So let's open the Spotlight search on our Mac by clicking on the little magnifying glass key on our keyboard and then type Passwords in here. We'll then open this, which stores all of our passwords, and the Mac will prompt us to enter the password which we use to unlock our Mac in order for them to confirm our identity. So just do that, and then you'll see this interface. Since we need to see the Wi-Fi passwords, I'm going to select this section, and that will give you a list of all the different Wi-Fi networks which you've connected to with your Mac and your iPhone. If you need to see or copy the password for this specific network, tap on it and then hover over the password section here in order to reveal it. You can then copy the password. You can generate a QR code for it so that other people can scan that code with their camera and connect to the network automatically. But yeah, that's how we can see our Wi-Fi passwords on Mac. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon.